One of MAPCON's most valuable features is the Work Order Resource Scheduler. In this tutorial, we will look at the advanced MAPCON scheduler, including adding and removing work orders from the schedule, auto-setting planned work orders, and understanding warning messages and calendar views. This is a follow-up to our advanced scheduling tutorial on settings and preferences, so please refer to that video before proceeding. Once logged into MAPCON, click the Maintenance tile found on the main menu screen. Click on the Scheduling menu, and now select Advanced Resource Scheduling. Just like in the basic scheduling module, scheduling work orders is as simple as dragging them from the left into the calendar. Removing them is equally simple. Just right-click the scheduled work orders and select Remove. Something unique to the Advanced module is the percentage bar. This indicates the remaining time available in a particular resource's shift that day. The more work orders that are assigned to a specific worker, the lower the percentage will become as their schedule fills up. This is based on how many work hours the work order is estimated to be completed in. Once the schedule is set, click the Save icon to save your schedule and dispatch the work orders. Before we set planned work orders into the schedule, it's important to know what a planned work order is. A planned work order is one that has labor assigned to it and includes information on craft, shift, employees, and the number of hours. When creating the initial work order, all of these elements are entered into the labor section of the form. With all of these elements specified, the work order is considered planned. Now that we know what a planned work order entails, we can talk about how to place them in the schedule. To place a selected planned work order into the calendar, select the work order you have in mind and press this button. If you want to auto-schedule all of your planned work orders into the calendar, press this button, and now we can see that all of the planned work orders are in the schedule. The system automatically places work orders into the schedule based on its due date and by designated employee and craft. When entering work orders into the schedule, there's a potential for a warning message to appear. This particular circle indicates that the work order is overdue. Other warnings include if a work order is mismatched to the chosen employee or if materials needed are on back order and unavailable. These messages do not prevent the work order from being scheduled. As in the basic module, scheduling reports can be generated by clicking this button. Reports can be run in a variety of ways as seen here. The calendar can be viewed 4 ways. The daily view is the default view for scheduling work orders. The weekly view allows users to see work orders scheduled in the span of 5 to 7 days and view daily totals of PMs and repairs for that week. If a user wants to assign a work order in this week, it can be dropped into the calendar in the traditional drag and drop fashion. Once dropped into the calendar, the system automatically determines where in the week to place it. The percentage bar shown on this calendar represents the remaining time available in a resource's work week. Clicking back to the daily view will allow those work orders to be modified if the user wants to change how the system automatically placed it in the schedule. The monthly view will show daily totals of PMs and repairs for each day in the month, and the percentage bar here represents a summary of the daily percentages. The semi-annual view shows a 6-month period of the calendar year you're working in. Be sure to check out our tutorial on settings and preferences in the Advanced Scheduling module. Thank you for choosing MAPCON.